Hi guys, let's try to submit a project templates to um, ACD um, ACD project. So um, I will try to submit my project template to Awesome ACD. So I already just forked the project, so I will just clone this and let me just open terminal. So I have already created a folder here, and let's just clone this. Okay, oops. Okay, so let's just and here are a okay, let's clone that. Okay, so let's open the project now. Code. The first step that I need to do is to, as far as I remember, I need to upload the image first. Where's that? I think it's inside static, then here, templates, image. So I need to drag my image here or to add my image here. No, I need to create a branch. Okay, let's create a branch. Okay, check out. Name of a branch is new template. New template. Okay, switch. Good. Okay, then let's add my image, which I just. Okay, that's it. Okay, next I need to update this templates.json. So we will just get some of the existing object here. Okay, I think let me just add. Let's add at the bottom. Just like this. Okay, I will change the image to new image. So this should be this one. Then I will get some information about this template. So just I think it should be Azure template. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get everything. Okay, description. Sure, service. Template. Template. Service. Template. Okay. Let's check the other templates here. What did they? Okay, let's just get my story. So, let me just choose this. Let me just get my story. Then let's look it up with Angular and yeah, that's it. Then let's what did they add for? Let's just add this one. Okay, let's remove some here. Servers. Functions. Beam. Functions. Console. .NET. Cosmos DB, because I'm using that Cosmos DB here. Let's use Site Launcher. Okay. I think that's it. Let's add new console. Okay, I think that's it. Now let's try to push this. Oops. Okay, git status. Okay, git branch. Okay. Add. Git commit. New. Underbar and MSLI. Hit. Set upstream. Push set origin new template. Template. Very good. Very good. Check this. Okay, so there's my new template is already here, so compare pull request. Okay, so let's go to pull request, and I believe, okay, new pull request. Okay, so this is my branch or my repository. So this branch has the updates that I have that I did. So okay, and this is the main branch that I want to merge my changes. Okay. Everything's okay. Let's just create pull request. There are three. Okay, what's this? So I need to peel everything. Need to update this. Okay, I'm gonna pause the recording and add some details here. Okay, I think this is enough, so let's just try to submit this now. Okay. Okay, so my pull request is now open, so I just need to wait for the approval, I think. Okay, I will just, but everything is there now, so the reviewer will accept my template. And yeah, thank you for watching. That's all. Bye.